So over here, you can see that I have a video project, and let's say what I want to do is I want to make a copy of this particular project without making any changes to the original and continue working on that project. In that case, you can go around onto the file menu, and here you can see that make a copy is an option. And here you have an option to just make a copy of a selected scene. Let's say, for example, right here. So the scene is selected. You can go ahead and make a copy. And then what happens is that only that particular scene is selected and copy is created, and that's automatically saved onto your Google account right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and then go to make a copy and then choose entire video as well, just like this. And then what happens is that a copy is created right here, just like this, as you can see with all of the scenes. So I can go around over here and let's say, for example, say sample project 1 right here, and you can also go around and say, let's say, for example, sample project 2 right here, and they become their own individual files. And that is how you can simply go ahead and make project copies as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.